Take a ride in the 2016 Transit 250. The Transit 250 comes in numerous configurations, impressive payload, and towing capacities. It is comfortable and easy to drive. This vehicle has less than 140,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, brake assist, stability control, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, dual rear wheels, four-wheel disc brakes. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.